Oh yeah, they're gonna get massages.
Grandma, what do you think of this bat?
What might you be doing? Sir, we're headed to Grandma's house. Scout and Scarlett are headed to one grandma's, and Steele and Stella the other one. And then we are all going to Cheesecake Factory.
You're gonna come visit me? You're coming to my house? All right.
Oh, you got it.
We are dropping the other crew off at the other grandma's. We have Steele and Stella going to Grandma Carolyn's, and the big kids are going to the Cheesecake Factory.
Okay.
Hello, Grandma.
Hello. Mom, what did you do to make us this?
Ooh, mac and cheese. Some runny noses. We got Kleenexes.
Yay. What do you have there?
Cough drop.
Hot drop.
Here we are, going to the Cheesecake Factory with no little ones. Well, you're kind of little. Look at my good-looking family. We have our favorite nanny with us.
Hi.
We got some nachos, some guac. Yeah, we did have another nanny once when you were little. When you were 3, and Storm wanted nothing to do with her. And literally she quit.
You said, I don't like you.
Well, what it was like he did not bond with her, and it really like made her feel bad. So she's like, she left. He wasn't bad. He just didn't like, he really liked Mom. Yeah. Well, she actually,
well, she had another family.
yeah, she had another family she was still nannying for. So I think that's more what it was.
Yeah.
And that was her excuse.
It's hard because you can't.
Where are you going to quit the Well, that's.
And he wasn't bad. The real carnivore of the family. Oh, our waiter had to think we're a giant pig. We got sides of fries and they're huge.
Can you ask for some steak sauce if I don't get to?
I can. Evelyn's pasta. It's vegan.
I only have one usually.
It's just my brother.
I just have some steak sauce.
Yum. Sun-dried tomatoes.
Those are really good fries.
Well, good, because we have enough for everyone. Times 3. What is it?
It looks so good.
A fried chicken sandwich.
Where it's like hot sauce, spicy.
And what is this one?
Carbonara. It's got like peas and crispy bacon. And
I'm always partial to angel hair pasta.
I like it too.
My tripod is falling apart.
I need a walk.
What is this machine? What does it do? Infinite VR.
It's a virtual reality.
Oh. Is it a game?
That'd be crazy.
Wait, did it?
That would be so fun.
Pre-order the iPhone 8
For you, Storm, anything. This is our Apple store. It's so cool.
iPhone 8 for Christmas.
Wishful thinking. Sydney's phone broke, so we have to get it fixed.
Wait, did she have it with her?
Yeah. She better have it with her. You have your phone? Okay. Oh yeah, they're gonna get massages.
Wait, I want a massage.
Oh,
Hi, Skylar.
these things are hardcore.
It would hurt you.
Okay, I don't care.
I'm just saying.
If you stand here long enough, you'll hear Skylar squeal.
I'm saying I don't. So, we're waiting until he's over there.
We're gonna go in here and get you some school pants. How's that? Fun.
If something says school on it, it's not fun. Just trying trying to see how much money it is. $100. For the phone, it's $100. But for the iPad, see how much it is. Same amount. I'm getting this one.
What does it do?
You can play your games like with that. Like I can play Minecraft like it would be on like Nintendo Switch.
Wow. This store makes you want, doesn't it?
Mom, like it has the controls. It's so cool.
I'm telling ya. All of a sudden, I want a new desktop.
Mom, you wanna see this? Mom, look. Here you.
Whoa.
You gotta close it. I don't know how.
Okay, we're gonna see how much a charger is at the Apple store. Because we all know the actual Apple chargers are the best. $30, but that's a lightning cable. Maybe they're not all that much. Aren't those fast cables?
I think they all say
Or
that.
chargers?
Yeah, I think they all say that.
$30? How much is this little thing? 19 bucks. I'll never lose mine again. I have those things floating all over. Wow. How much are these here? I need another one. Mine died again. 100 bucks.
One thing, quite a bit.
Plus, I think that's how much we spent on ours at Best Buy, honestly.
What is this game, bud?
I don't know. I was trying to customize a car, trying to get the car, just I don't know how to put it, so I use it. Cause I have like the cool, like not an Audi. It's not. I was looking at doing a
Get a Porsche or
Lamborghini. This isn't it. This isn't it. I was doing something. I was doing a race car.
Yay, she got her new phone. Are you happy, Sydney? So all my boys. Well, not Steele. I shouldn't say, and not Skylar. Okay, here's some of my boys.
Mom, look.
That's pretty. Yeah, that wasn't there. That's really pretty. Dang, it's cold. It's just so windy. Love you. You didn't even say goodbye.
No, you didn't.
I'll hop in.
I didn't. Yes, I did.
Nope,
Tell me
everyone
bye.
said, he's like, he didn't
Tell
even
me bye.
I
Tell me
totally
bye.
said bye before I left.
Not to me.
Bye. Huh?
Love you.
Love you.
Drive safe.
Okay.
I'll hop in.
See you tomorrow.
See you.
Don't run me over.
Dolly, do the head.
Woo, that sounds so scary. Yep. Yep. We're back.
Grandma has a bat. Grandma has a bat in the house. I think Grandma might be scared though.
Spencer.
Grandma, what do you think of this bat?
Spencer.
What do you think of this bat, Grandma?
Funny, haha. Spencer.